everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm coming after a long time anyways, but still we are meeting. That's that's important. Okay, so I'm going to share today one of my reviews related to one of the greatest products, that is on company, that is Mama Earth. And earlier I was not using Mama Earth, but of late, I mean, it's just 8 to 10 days I have got this order, and this is the first time I ordered, and I'm really happy with the products, and so wanted to share with you all people. So I have ordered some 6 products. These are the 6 products. The details and the prices, everything would be mentioned in the description box. However, so without wasting time, let's get started directly into the video. Okay, so as you can see, so this was the box which I received, and in this I received all the products of Mama Earth. So the thing is, okay, I want to share this also. Some products I received directly, I ordered from the Mama Earth website, whereas some products I actually ordered from Nykaa, maybe 15 to 20% discount. Somewhere it was 30% discount. So I went for the maximum discount. So yeah, तो पहला प्रोडक्ट मैं आपसे शेयर करने जा रही हूँ, ये है मामा अर्थ का टी3 फेस वॉश. Now, why Mama Earth ka tea tree face wash for me? Because yes, I had some kind of acne and pimples, marks on my face, and acne were too much. I mean, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि उस वजह से अब मेरा गया है, but to be very honest, मेरे acne अभी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, scars भी बिल्कुल नहीं है, but earlier it was too much. I mean, तो कई सारे प्रोडक्ट्स लगाए थे मैंने, तो मे बी उस वजह से भी गए हो सकते हैं. बट ये प्रोडक्ट लगाने के बाद मुझे ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि दिस जो R&D करते थे ना, ये लगाना है, वो लगाना है, वो लगाना है. सो आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट कि बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स लगाओ, बट यू कैन गो अहेड विद दिस प्रोडक्ट विच रिमूव्स योर एक्ने एंड योर पिंपल्स मार्क्स. सो दिस इज विद टी3 एंड फेस वॉश. प्राइस यहाँ पे इसका 249 दिया है, बट ऑल एंड ऑल आई गॉट सम अराउंड 25% डिस्काउंट जब मैंने वेबसाइट से लिया है. तो ठीक है, तो इसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूँगी. एंड द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट विच आई हैव गॉट फ्रॉम ममा अर्थ इज दिस फेस वॉश. अगेन दिस इज द उपटन फेस वॉश, वो वाला जो था हमारा टी3 फेस वॉश, एंड दिस इज द उपटन फेस वॉश. तो यू कैन सी दिस. So this is like, it has turmeric and saffron, and we all know turmeric is really it's a very good cleanser for our skin, and it removes a tan as well. So yeah, and yes, this is for tan removal. So अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपके स्किन में कहीं पे कुछ blemishes है, some kind of tan you have, so just go ahead with this product, and this is an amazing product. Price यहाँ पे mention है 249 again, but yes, as I said, I got some 20 to 25% discount directly from the website. So the third product I wanted to share with you people is Mama Earth ka charcoal face scrub. This is with charcoal and walnut. So yes, charcoal is, again, it purifies, it cleanses the skin by purifying, by removing all the dirt or extract on your face. And walnut is a great exfoliator. So, and this is like a deep exfoliation. If you really want to have a clear skin with a great scrub, and this is one of the great scrub. You can just go ahead with this. This is charcoal face scrub. इसका प्राइस है 349. So again, I got a discount on this, 20 to 25% discount. Moving ahead, yeah, this is the fourth product. This is the oil-free moisturizer. You can use this oil-free face moisturizer as a day cream or as a night cream. It has apple cider vinegar, and it's good for acne-prone skin. So people, those who have some kind of lot of acne, you can go around, or you can actually use this product. I don't have any acne, but yes, it actually reduces and it stops if it is really looking forward कि बहुत अच्छा सा skin हो, या फिर acne नहीं आए, तो then you can go ahead with this product. It stops all this acne and purifies your skin. So yeah, इसका price I am not able to get the price, but मुझे मिलेगा तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूँगी. But it's an amazing product. Okay, so all you can see, they're all related. All the products what I have ordered, these are all face products. I would say face cream and face scrub, face wash, and face serum as well. So this now fifth product what I'm showing right now is Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. You can see this Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. Now this Bye Bye Blemishes, this it has mulberry extract and vitamin C. ये छोटा सा मतलब ये pump type I guess, yeah, this is the pump वाला bottle. You can carry this in your bag as well. The price is $449, little pricey, but the product is amazing. ये मैंने एक दो बारी लगाया है, but I really feel it's really good because it gives you uneven skin tone. अगर आप लोग जो मुझे जानते हो, you might have seen my earlier skin and the skin which I have right now. I think one of the reasons for this can be this Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. It's really good. Coming to the sixth product, this is again Mamaearth का skin correct face serum. तो मैंने सोचा एक फेस क्रीम हो गया, फिर फेस स्क्रब हो गया, टैन रिमूवल हो गया, एक्ने मार्क्स रिमूवल हो गया, मॉइस्चराइजर हो गया. So I thought let me take one face serum as well. So this time I ordered all the face related products. You can say face care products I mean to say. So this is this Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum. This is for acne marks and scars. So ये सीरम आपको जैसे मैंने so this product is basically it's a serum and ये आप नाइट में अप्लाई करो सोने के पहले, या फिर क्रीम आप जब डेली मॉइस्चराइजर कुछ लगाते हो उसके पहले आप ये सीरम लगा लो तो भी it gives you lot of benefits. So this is a small bottle. I really like this packaging and yeah, it's pricey. It's $5.99 but I think it's worth the price for this. So ये सारी मैंने 6 प्रोडक्ट मंगाए थे Mamaearth के, जैसे मैंने बताया कुछ वेबसाइट से मंगाए थे, कुछ मैंने नायका से मंगाए थे. सो नायका पे मुझे कुछ 15-20% डिस्काउंट मिला है, वेबसाइट पे मुझे कुछ 30% के 25 to 30% के आसपास. दिस इज अ प्रॉडक्ट, इट्स ओजीवा सीरो D3. ओजीवा सीरो D3 मैंने इसलिए ये मैंने अभी आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. पहले तो ये मेरा पेड कोलैबोरेशन है, ठीक है. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग दिस इज माई पेड कोलैबोरेशन, बट Mamaearth मेरा पेड कोलैबोरेशन नहीं है. अब लेकिन मैं फिर भी इसके बारे में ये बोलना चाहूँगी, इट्स रियली गुड इफ़ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू एनी काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस और इफ़ यू वांट टू रिड्यूस योर एंग्जाइटी. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप बहुत एंग्जाइटी लेवल आपका बहुत हाई है और आप बहुत स्ट्रेस लेते हो, सो दिस रिड्यूसेस रिलेटेड टू योर स्ट्रेस एंड योर एंग्जाइटी. So basically it's a kind of health to support your health, to be healthy. So daily आपको एक कैप्सूल लेना है and this has Brahmi and ginseng extract. Now we all know ginseng is anti-aging as well and this will help you lot related to your anti-aging. I mean it will benefit related to anti-aging as well. So yeah. So these are some 60 capsules, so probably you can consume this for 2 months. It's really good related to health benefits and health supplements if you're really looking forward. They have amazing products. This is the one which I collaborated and I ordered for myself as well. So yeah, just go for this product. This is amazing. So yeah, these were all products which I wanted to share with your people. And I hope you like my video. If you really like it, please let me know. इस तरीके से मैं इस तरीके के रिव्यू वाले वीडियोस एंड प्रोडक्ट्स रिलेटेड वीडियो भी आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी विथ माई ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन एंड रिव्यूज. Right. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Please share, comment, like it so that it gives me थोड़ा सा motivation to do more work for you people. Right. Thank you so much and bye and take care.